I'll be flat on it. I was perfectly content with the day and not expecting to see a waterfall of any kind. All the little spots on the map that I looked at didn't have anything. And it may not be the biggest one in the world, but it's something to see it. Does certainly brighten the day a bit. Gotta find a way to the bottom. This may not be the only one. Huh. Indeed, this is not the only waterfall. Maybe the upper part of the series here. Check out this little 4-foot. Nice. Something. We go from that to this. I cannot touch bottom with my hiking stick. There we go, right there. So that's at least 4 foot deep in that one spot, and who knows how much deeper in a little corridor. A gorgeous little scene. There we go. That's what I come here to find. These kind of great surprises. That's huge. That's going to be a nice one. Got to figure out a way down. Probably up the bluff on the left hand side to get below this thing. Be real enticing to sit right here and eat a lunch. These cascades are so gorgeous. In fact, I may do just that. Photograph, film this area a little bit more. This is just a gorgeous little stretch right through here. But maybe I gotta take a peek at that thing too, just to see. I guess let's go take a peek at this and then decide where I'm going to do lunch. It's just too enticing. Oh man, the flow coming off of that one. Wow. This is one of the biggest falls in Bankhead that I've found in some time. After seeing that, it's a pretty obvious, easy answer for going down. I follow a little social trail, a little game trail. Find a way to the base of this falls. And a lot of times in the woods, you just look to the animals. They'll show you the way in and out of canyons. Just find the ways that they take. Most of the time, that's pretty suitable for people to go up and down too. You don't need flagging or any of that kind of thing to mark a route. We'll walk up here. Check this out. All the bluffs surrounding it. Huge rock shelter. Massive pool for falls here in Bankhead. That is a nice, that's what, 25-foot waterfall here? I'm loving this view. This shelter is extending. All the way that way. There's still a little more to see this trip. And we have rain moving in. As much as I hate to leave this spot. Take a wide view of the falls. This huge shelter. I'll follow this up a bit. Joining into a major creek now. Gotta back across and up. Normally this would be impenetrable. There are a number of trees that have fallen and taking out some of the mountain laurel here. Following another little game trail, kind of around it all the way from the edge of the bluff. See if I can get through this. Oh, there's no way down here. About as sheer as it gets. I thought this was a pool of water of some kind, but as I've gotten closer I realized this is like a field of moss. Look at all that. Wow. That's awesome. It's still pretty steep. Pretty steep drop here. We're coming up to a hard bend. I'd love to see those cascades, but usually with a hard bend you don't get that option of going down. It usually means you're going up again. What color meets the pies? Expect the unexpected in this little canyon, this little area. Here's my way down. Here's my way past the bend. Here's my chance to see those cascades. Maybe explore, split up bluff line a bit. I want to see those cascades. Gorgeous boulders. Really nice cascades here. Like this big rock on Liverwort. Interesting little hidey hole space here. Big beautiful creek. Very drippy. Wet walk on these cliffs. Lots of mosses, little ferns, phone flower, tons of lichen I can identify. These little rocks are almost like steps leading up and around the bend. Hedging my bets on this little spot, just a hair upstream that maybe possibly might have something, a little something, and I kept looking up this way, kind of oblivious to that right there. I guess good. Back to this little gem of the spot up above the big falls. Hope you enjoyed the really nice surprises after what seemed like a long walk in the woods, just kind of enjoying the woods or whatnot. Great little toy at the bottom of the cereal box. I guess it's a metaphor that doesn't get used much anymore, because there are no toys at the bottom of the cereal boxes anymore. But until next time, keep exploring and stay wild.